Want to know how to attach files or attach images in Lovable? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this screen right here. So once you are in this screen, just simply log in. First up on the top right side, you should be seeing login or get started. We have also created a video on how to sign in or sign up to Lovable, so make sure to watch it. So now, once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface, and right down to the prompt, you should be seeing something known as attach with this image icon right here. Just simply select it. Now once you've selected attach, here you should be seeing add files. Just simply select add files. So you can add many files right here, from spreadsheets all the way to images as well. So once that is done, you can just simply prompt it out, and your Lovable AI should start working. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.